Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and you can probably tell by my hair and outfit that it is laundry day. And this basket makes it helpful. I want to tell you about it.
So there is lots to love about this laundry basket from Brookstone. Look how compact and small it comes, and then you just simply push on the bottom to pop out the sides and it becomes a full-size laundry basket. One of the things that I love about it is how durable it is. I was worried about putting heavy laundry in it, such as blankets and towels and jeans, but it has withstood everything that I've put it through, so it's plenty durable, which is what I needed. And then one of the best things that I love about it is when you're done, you simply push down on the sides with ease. It becomes little and compact, and you can store it anywhere you need it for saved space. So here's just a little video of this thing in action. I have a very small laundry room, so I am very happy with how compact it becomes because I don't have a lot of room to spare. So I love that I can just collapse it and store it anywhere I need to.
So I gotta tell you, through the millions of loads of laundry that I do, this basket is really helpful. It's really handy. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. But that's my point of view.